Hello guys, welcome back to another video of automation course. In this video we talk about security and networking in the Windows XP. So let's start. First we talk about introduction. So let's get started. In previous operating systems like Windows 95, Windows 98 and Windows Me, etc. The entire notion of file and security was an alien providing rudimentary security. However, the XP provides advanced security option and similar terms of Windows 2000. Even fewer and security auditing features are also included in the OS. Microsoft XP include Internet Information Server version 5.1, which allows to host web and FTP sites. The IIS, which XP provides a web server, FTP server, and a simple mail transfer protocol. Virtual server, the IIS include which professional XP is not as versatile as with server distribution, since it allows only one website and one FTP site, allowing a maximum number of 10 simulations, TCP connections. Setting up a network on a computer is not a complex process. One can ensure a trouble-free network processed by selecting the right hardware and configuring it properly. XP network setup wizard can be used to set automatic IP address, workgroup names, and configure internet connections, firewall, and fine-tune the network settings to suit the requirements. So the introduction is complete, and now we talk about the objectives. Let's get start about talking about objectives. After completions, so this unit 1 should be able to, point number 1, share a file and assign security permissions. Point number 2, view and examine an event. Point number 3, audit the security features of files and printers. Point number 4, install and configure a vSite. Point number 5, configure a simple network. And point number 6, which is last point of objectives, is configure for internet connections. The next topic is simple file sharing. So let us start about on a clean installation or an upgrade or Windows 98, Windows Me, Windows XP assigns default security settings that work like on-off switches. The simple file sharing interface initially makes all the files in the user profile, including my documents, folders, desktop, start menu, and favorites, visible to anyone who has an administrator account on the computer. Opening the My Computer windows displays a separate icon for the folder that holds each user's personal documents, along with an icon for a shared documents folder. It's easy to make a folder private. To do so is right click on a folder, choose sharing and security, and select the make this folder private checkbox. But the simple file sharing option suffers from some significant limitations. Point number 1 is the make this folder private option is available only within user profile. If user use a program that stores its user data in any other location, it cannot protect that folder from unauthorized access. Point number 2 is the protection applies to all files and subfolders within a folder where this option is selected. One cannot protect an individual file, nor he can single out files or subfolders within a protected folder and make them available to others. Point number 3 is the private setting is an all or nothing proposition. When it is selected and the make this folder private checkbox, Windows set permissions on that folder. Only the users can access files stored in that location. Clear the checkbox and any user who logs on the computer can view the files stored there. Point number 4. When simple file sharing is enabled and the user can move or copy files or folders between a private folder and a shared location, the moved and copied objects always take on the security attributes of the destination folder. This behavior changes if simple file sharing is disabled. Private protection to file and folder. To protect file and folder, follow these steps. Step number 1. In the run box or from any command prompt type %system drive %documents and settings. Step number 2. Right click the icon labeled with the username and choose sharing and security. Step number 3. Under local sharing and security, select the make this folder private checkbox. Point number 4. Click OK to choose to close the dialog box and apply your changes. Other users who log to the same computer and open the My Computer window can no longer see the folder icon that represents My Document folder if that is private. Other users who try to access your file and folder will receive an access denied error message when they double click the folder that contains other files or folder. The result is the same if another user tries to open a subfolder that you have made private. So with this we end this video. If you like this video, thumbs up a like for this video, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it and comment us for the next part of the video.